සුබ දවසක් කියලා හැමෝටම. අපි අද පටන් ගන්න යන්නේ ෆාමසි එක්ස්ටර්නල් කෝස් පේපර් නම්බර් 12. ඔයාලට මොනවා හරි අපහසු දෙයක් තිබුණොත් මට WhatsApp message එකක් දාන්න 077 18යි 46යි 911. 077 18යි 46යි 911. ඒ වගේම channel එක subscribe කරන්න කියලා ආරාධනා කරනවා. ඒක like කරන්න, comment කරන්න. අපි යමු පේපර් එකට. True or false about pharmaceutical packages? All rubber closes are made from natural rubber. False. Plastic containers are safe as they do not interact with contents. True. Amber colored container prevent hydrolysis of drug. False. PVC blister packs provide greater stability of drug than all aluminum strip packs. True. The glass and glass ampule is known to produce particulate matter in the ampules. True. Vitamin A and D soft gelatin capsules contain emulsion. False. Emulsions are homogeneous system. False. Freezing improves emulsion stability. True. Cream emulsions. True. Benzyl benzoate application is an emulsion. False. True or false about suspensions? Coarse suspensions are similar in appearance to solutions. False. Colloidal suspensions contain visible solid particles. False. They are used to mask the unpleasant taste of a drug. False. Some insulin are available as suspensions. True. Advice about shaking prior to use is important when dispensing suspensions. True. True or false? Bioavailability of orally administered drug. A. Bioavailability is high if the drug has low fast metabolism. True. Food during interaction are known to interfere with bioavailability. True. Pharmaceutical equivalence indicates equivalence in bioavailability. False. Drugs which are highly water soluble generally have high bioavailability. False. Bioavailability of drugs is known to change the cirrhosis of the liver. True. True or false about packing material? Type 1 glass is less alkaline than type 2. True. Type 1 glass does not come in amber color. False. Foil lamination is blister packs allow gas exchange into the product. True. Effervescent tablets are recommended to be stored in containers with desiccant. True. Compendial standards are not available for packing material. False. True or false regarding pharmaceutical packaging? An ampule is a multi-dose container. False. A strip packs is an example for secondary packaging. False. The lid of syrup bottle is part of the primary pack. True. Indiffusible powder used in extemporaneous interna preparation include following. True or false? A. Aspirin. True. B. Chalk. True. Light magnesium carbonate. False. Magnesium trisilicate. False. Zinc oxide. False. True or false regarding emulsion? It is possible to include two incompatible ingredients. False. The aqueous phase is easily flavored. True. The oily sensation is not removed. True. Storage conditions may not affect stability. False. They are homogeneous preparation. False. The pharmaceutical agents stated below are correctly paired with their alternative names. True or false? ethanol, surgical spirit, false. Epsom salt, calcium sulfate, false. Methyl alcohol, methanol, true. Dextrose, dextran, false. Clabbered salt, sodium sulfate, true. The high level, true or false. Immunization is contraindicated if the child has an established acute illness, true. Live vaccines are not routinely recommended to pregnant women, true. Live vaccine should not be given to patients using steroid inhalers for asthma, false. Eczema in the baby is a contraindication for giving vaccines of the expanded program of immunization, false. Forced immunization fever usually occurs within 24 hours after injection of live vaccines, true. This descriptive term part of solvent for one part of solute. Very soluble, less than 1, freely soluble, from 1 to 10, soluble 10 to 30, sparingly soluble, 30 to 100, slightly soluble, 100 to 1000, very slightly soluble, very slightly soluble, 1000 to 10,000, partially insoluble or insoluble, partially insoluble or soluble, insoluble, more than 10,000. අපි බලමු synonyms ටික. synonyms anathem, deal, aneurysm, thymine, aniline red, magenta, aqua, dulcis, chloroform water. Aqua, aqua. Hornby, dilutely subacetate, dilutely subacetate, aqueous cream hydrous, aqueous cream hydrous, aqueous cream hydrous, aqueous cream hydrous, emulsifying ointment, emulsifying ointment, ointment. Argentum, argentum, argentum. Silver, silver. Baker's salt, baker's salt. Ammonium, ammonium. Carbonate, carbonate, carbonate. Baking soda, baking soda, soda. Sodium bicarbonate, sodium bicarbonate, carbonate. Bleaching powder, bleaching powder, powder. Chloride of lime, chloride of lime, chloride of lime. Boro, borate, bora, bora. Tea of soda, tea of soda. Borax, borax. Caramel, caramel, caramel. Burnt sugar, burnt sugar, sugar. Carbolic acid, carbolic acid. Phenol, phenol. Castellan's paint, Castellan's paint, Castellan's paint. Magenta paint, magenta paint, paint. Caustic soda, caustic soda, caustic soda. Sodium hydroxide, hydroxide. China clay, China clay. Kaolin, kaolin, kaolin. Cocoa butter, cocoa butter, cocoa butter, cocoa butter. Theobroma oil, theobroma oil, oil. Crab's eye, crab's eye. Chalk, chalk. Formalin, formalin, formalin. Formaldehyde solution, formaldehyde solution. French chalk, French, chalk, talc, glycerol, glycerol, trinitrate, trinitrate, nitroglycerin, nitroglycerin, niacin, 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 nicotinic, nicotinic acid, acid, paracetamol, paracetamol, acetal, 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 aminopen, salbutamol, salbutamol, albuterol, albuterol, white soap, white soap, white soap, paraffin, paraffin, petroleum white, petroleum white, white, wool alcohol, wool alcohol, lanolin alcohol, lanolin alcohol, wool fat, wool fat, anhydrous, anhydrous, lanolin, nano, okay. Vitamin B12, vitamin B12, cyanocobalamin, cyanocobalamin, cobalamin, ethanol, 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 ethyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, alcohol, Epsom salt, Epsom salt, salt, magnesium, magnesium, sulfate, sulfate, bioavailability, bioavailability, availability, the rate and, the rate and, rate and, extend to, which a drug, which a drug, which a drug becomes, becomes, becomes available in, available in systemic, systemic, circulation, 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 IV 100%, 100%, bioavailability, bioavailability, oral bioavailability, oral bioavailability, depend on, depend on, depend on, Drug related factors. Okay. Drug related factors. Drug related factors. Then patient related factors. Patient related factors. People on drug related factors. Drug related factors. Drug related factors. Lipid solubility of the drug. Lipid solubility of the drug. Chemical stability of the drug in the bowel. Nature of the drug formulation. Patient related factors. pH of stomach and intestines. Bowel disease. Presence of food and other drugs. There are 4 mechanisms for drug absorption. Passive diffusion. Active transport. Endocytosis. Filtration. 3 factors. 3 factors control drug absorption by passive diffusion. passive, diffusion, 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 lipid solubility, lipid, lipid solubility, solubility, ionization, ionization, molecular size, molecular size, active transport, active transport, active transport, active transport, active transport, transport, active transport. In this method, in this method, in this method, the drug is combined with a carrier and cross the membrane using energy only for few drug absorbed by this method methotrexate is endocytosis, particles are engulfed by the cell membrane. This process also need energy. What's the filtration? Filtration. There are small pores in cell membrane. Small solute ions can filter through these pores, but drug molecules being large being large can't use this method method හරි අපි අද සාකච්ඡා කළේ 12 වෙනි පේපර් එක තමයි අපි ඉවර කරේ එතකොට 12 වෙනි පේපර් එක පේපර් 12 වෙනි එක අපි ඉවර කරා මොන හරි ගැටලුවක් තිබුණොත් මට WhatsApp message එකක් දාන්න WhatsApp 077යි 18යි 46යි 911 077යි 18යි 46යි 911 නැත්නම් කමෙන්ට් එකක් දාන්න කමෙන්ට් කරන්න පුළුවන් ඒවා වීඩියෝ එක ලයික් කරන්න කියලා ආරාධනා කරනවා channel එකට subscribe කරන්න අපි ඊළඟ පේපර් එකකින් හමුවෙමු හැමෝටම සුබ දවසක්